Adam Lennox was very good against the Moana last week. Tane Robinson and also Xavier Tito Harris completes the bench for the Highlanders, coached by Jamie Joseph, and he's brought his team with him, Clark Dermody, David.
And Frank Lamani finishing out on the wings.
Kawai Tangiwatawa, the hooker who scored his first try in Super Rugby Pacific last week, is in jersey 16. Angus maybe, and also Mike Winter. It's week 12 in bar.
Time is on.
Getting us underway for the Highlanders is Cam Miller. Loose ball out the back, but Mabula is there. And onto the left foot. There's the kick. And Lamani, he can't control it.
No, he's behind. He's picked up behind that player. Play on.
And he just manages to get out of the field of play, does he?
Ball's out. Over 15.
Good line-out win from Howden. So it's the Highlanders with more possession inside enemy territory. Tavatava Nawai just outside the 22. Howden. Good carry taken by Tamani. Intercepted! Narike is coming across. It's 2-on-1. Oh, that's good work from Narike because he had to take him ball and all. They might have squandered that opportunity. That's the 22. It's still there though. And Lamani. Inside ball. Try time. Fijian Drua. And it's the Rimi Vakatawa. What a moment for the French international. It's his first try ever for the Drua. Kicking around 74% for the season. Armstrong Rabola down the middle it goes. 7 points to 0. It's the Drua over the Highlanders. Armstrong Rabola kicking for a couple of chases, but getting back there first was Ratu Maitabuki Nipkins. Just inside Islanders territory. Now they're retreating a little before they go forward, and it is Vakatawa. It's a 10-metre mark. Advantage being played here for the Drua. Hatet having a rumble. Close contact. Armstrong Rabola. Salawa. Now it's Mayana Vanua.
On the 40-metre.
Still playing advantage. One out the back door. Rambitu, advantage is over. Rambitu, they stood off him! It's a try again to the Fijian Drua. He had some work to do. They fell off him. Missed last week because of concussion protocol, but that's his second try for the season. Isakeli Rambitu.
They missed him dearly last week. It came from nothing, really. They were just building pressure, building the phases. All it was a quick hands. Isakeli Rambitu goes one-on-one, or more so one-on-two. Gets through contact. Gets over the line for 5-pointer.
Taylor Wasser puts it in for the home team.
Use it.
The Drua on their own 22. Lamani back on the inside again. Oh, and Lamani, bit of an air swing there. Couldn't get a boot to.
No, got sideline.
Just couldn't get the pass away.
Counter-ruck.
It's a counter-ruck now from the Drua. Mainzalala Wassa, nowhere to go. So he gives it to his captain, Mayana Vanua. Salawa, bit of footwork from Lamani. Manages to stay in field. Well, Akatava puts it in, gives it back to Miller. He says, that'll do us. We'll take the lead into half-time. Thank you very much. 2 tries apiece. Okay, well, there's another line-out loss for the Drua. There's Nasova, gives it to Tamani. Joe up over the 10-metre mark. Ben Smith, we heard from at half-time. You would have played plenty of games against Ben Smith while you were on the wing for the Crusaders.
Good job. Good job.
Another Drua. Lavani. Mamito found some space. In, away, over. He's got a double. Great finishing from the Fijian Drua fullback and a great start to the second half.
And that's just what they needed. Clark in the second half to score first, strike first. And I must say that was a training try.
Finds Alelawasa. Here's Nasilasila. He'll run all day. B2 up to first receiver. Tamani stepping his way through. Inside ball, Mayana Vanilla. The big man. They're lining up out wide. Tongi Atama back to finds Alelawasa. Throws it over. Dongay gets it out to Hatet. Spins. Oh, he was so close.
On the line.
Hatet.
On the line.
Dongay looks. Oh, you can see he's centimetres away.
Short.
Finds Alelawasa, leaves it for the forwards for now.
Line.
Rebitu is screaming out on the left saying there's no one out here, but they won't need him because they're going to go the direct route. And playing his 50th game of Super Rugby Pacific for the Fijian Drua is Elia Thanakaivata. He scores! That's his 4th for the year, his 14th in his 4th season.
Deservedly so. What a way to do it on your 50th cap. Again, just applied pressure. They might have to go back. There might be a drop ball. Not.
And there's the conversion from right in front. So the draw with a bit of breathing space. Fijian has it tucked under the arm for the Highlanders. Pankiri tries to come through.
Through the middle.
Isaac finds Alelawasa. He's been in good form again today in the 9 jersey. But young Philip Basalala hoping to get a bit of game time, the reserve scrum half. And now, oh, it's been intercepted. Oh, and then knocked on. Bakatawa. He's going to take them on and then delivers. It's on the ground. It's all happening here. Both teams flirting with danger. There's a penalty, and that might be a yellow card. It was pretty deliberate, was it?
Wait. It's a yellow card. Counter up. You're on the ground.
Makatui Tombo. Oh.
Guys, it was not straight to begin with.
Not straight, and a free kick. They go short this time.
Knock on first.
Knock on.
I've got a knock
by
on
the Drua.
Line out. We're going to scrum here, white ball. Let's go, guys.
Sama Vodre. Baltini gets a fan going. Lining up outside him. Knocked back by the Highlanders. And all of a sudden it's kept alive by Lennox. After all that, it was right in front of the referee.
You don't have any change on that, mate. I've got a knock on. Yeah, guys, it's a knock on. Listen, it's a knock on, and that is the end of the game.
It's all over in bar. It's a victory for the Fijian Drua. Their first ever win over the Highlanders. They go to the back, and it's there for the Drua. Soa, too wide, is 2 metres out, comes back, there they go. Was he on the line? Knocked on, it's a call.
It's knock on.
After all that, all over in bar. It's a victory for the Fijian Drua. Their first ever win over the Highlanders. Highlanders led 14-12 at the break, but full time it's 24-14. The Drua, they're not celebrating as much as they should because they were hoping to get the bonus point. Not to be, they'll have to settle for 4 points, and just a little knock on towards the end